Good morning. Take a deep breath. Inhale peace and exhale all tension. Today I invite you to experience the ancient Hawaiian practice of Ho'oponopono, a simple yet a very powerful prayer of gratitude, forgiveness, and love. The following four phrases, can help you cleanse your old negative emotions, help you improve your relationships, and restore balance and harmony within your heart. Yes, trust me, believe me. As you listen to me, gently repeat after me these four phrases. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I repeat in the same order. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel each word as energy, washing away the guilt, resentment, and pain within you, and filling you with peace, happiness, self love, and gratitude. Let's begin this healing journey and this make this as part of your daily practice, part of this as your daily practice of meditation. You may repeat this 108 times like you do a mantra japa, Om Namah Shivaya. First thing when you get up in the morning, and secondly before you go to bed. With 5 days of practice, I promise you, it will cleanse you from within and will fill you with happiness, joy, gratitude, and abundance in every area of your life. Now, take a slow, deep breath and gently release the same. Exhale slowly. Feel the peace, love, and gratitude flowing through you right now. If this Ho'oponopono gratitude prayer touched your heart, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs healing today. Together, let us create a world filled with peace, forgiveness, and vibrant health. I'm Vijay, your holistic coach from Mumbai, helping you live medicine-free life through conscious breathing, mindful eating, and love. Until we meet next, I thank you and I love you.